In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily install any Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, firstly, you need to navigate at the start icon. Please make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. The moment you do it, you will be able to bring up a window called Device Manager, where here you need to locate for network adapters. So simply scroll down and locate for it. So once you have selected it, click on this third arrow, and there you can see all of the network driver that is present in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you haven't seen any of your network driver, all you need to do is you need to make a right click scan for hardware changes, and in that way you would be able to see your network adapter. Or you can simply navigate at the button search bar. Okay, type for control panel, and a best match would appear. Please click on open to continue. And eventually you would be able to open up a window like this. Please proceed to the view by, go with this one, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. And by here, please navigate to the internet options. Please click on it. Or you can simply navigate to the network and sharing center. Okay, my bad. Then go with the left pane where you can see the change adapter settings. So from here, you would be able to see your Wi-Fi driver or your network driver. Okay. So in order to install any network driver, all you need to do is you need to select it. Please make a right click, go with update driver. And by here, please click on search automatically for drivers. Okay, and it will search for drivers. And there you can automatically install here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, you can also install it manually. Go with update driver, go with browse my computer for manually, and go with let me pick, and go with next, and you will be able to install a Wi-Fi driver or network driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.